Hi, I'm Joel Fleet Brakes, and this is our hydraulic power brake kit for 1967 to 70 Ford Mustangs with automatic transmissions. It's part number FC00004HK, and this kit allows you to upgrade from manual to power brakes quickly and easily. Our kits are complete as possible. We even pre-install and pre-adjust the push rod, helping to make installation easy. Here's an overview of what's included in this kit, starting with the installation instructions. You'll also receive a 9-inch slimline power booster, a 1-inch dual-bowl master cylinder, the adjustable proportioning valve, which allows you to fine-tune the amount of brake pressure at your rear brakes, preventing rear wheel lockup, the brake lines necessary to route from the master cylinder to your factory distribution block, and the new factory-style power brake pedal that installs into the factory brake pedal support without further modification. Check us out on Facebook or Instagram at Lead Brakes, and while you're at it, show us what you're working on by using hashtag #BeBrakes when posting photos of your build.